Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 1999 Johnson 15 horse. This one came back with compression at 75 on both cylinders. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube. Carburetors were cleaned, and we'll go ahead and fire this one up here. This is going to be manual start, 20-inch. This is two-stroke. Turn the fan on here. Pumping good water. Put it forward. Back in neutral, reverse, neutral, shut it off, fire it back up. Neutral. Shut the fan off real quick here. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.